In this video we will learn about magic method. So these methods are invoked directly after creation of class instance. Okay, so I am going to create a class name employee and object will be a argument. Okay, so I am going to create another method named init. So this is also a magic method. So self comma first name. Okay, and let's take last name and the next argument as salary, and let's assign 0 to it. Okay, so now we'll put self dot first name equals first name, self dot last name equals last name. Okay, and self dot salary equals salary. Okay, so now we'll define another str. Okay, so this is also magic method. So self will be our argument. Okay, so let's return full name. Okay, and then concatenate it with self dot first name. Okay, and then let's put a space and then the last name. Okay, self dot last name. Okay, so now let's define init. Okay, let's put int. So we'll implement behavior for built-in type comparison to int. Okay, let's put self as the argument, return self dot salary. Okay, so now we'll be defining, let's say, add method, and this will overrule the plus operator. Okay, self and other will be our argument, so we'll be overloading plus. So let's return self dot salary plus other dot salary. Okay, now we'll overload multiplication sign. Okay, let's put mul self and other will be our argument. We'll return self dot salary multiplied by other dot salary. Okay, so now we'll make a if statement. If name equals main. Okay, so let's put a variable name Mahatma and we'll put employee. Let's put the name as Mahatma and let's put here Gandhi. Okay, and let's put salary as 1000. Okay, so here I am going to put Gandhi equals employee. Let's put here another name. Okay, let's take a name as John. Okay, and let's put here John and the salary as, let's say, Parker. In India we are going to put 2000. Okay, so let's print here Mahatma. Okay, so let's run it. So here there is an error in line number 19. So let's see what the error is. So it is saying there should be double equal to sign. So you can see the full name Mahatma Gandhi is being printed. So this is because of str method overloading. Okay, so let's put Gandhi. Okay, So you can see here it is giving the name as John Parker. So let me print, let's say Mahatma and then plus Gandhi. Okay. So let's run it. So you can see here it is giving 3000. This is because of the add method overloading. Okay. So let me print Mahatma star and then Gandhi. Okay. So let's run it. So you can see here the output. Okay. So now I am going to put let's say a int of or Mahatma. So let's run it. So you can see 1000. So this is because of our int method. So let's print int of Gandhi. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see 2000. So I'm going to put let's say Mahatma equals Gandhi. So let's run it. So you can see here the output is false.